Yo, what is up, everyone? Welcome to another develop cool. Develop? I just said develop. Okay, never mind. Welcome back to another awesome video. In this video, we are doing is actually we're doing the mods. Before one actually okay. Some of you guys so I'm going to be teaching you. So the first thing is levels of the squad. Fun time Miriam is their snake. Is it the unknown? And you play Roblox. So I don't know who's this guy. I'm gonna also level up another guy, which is videos and those. Okay, it was nothing because it's actually steps again, bro. Again. I hear footsteps again. Wow. So the first thing is when this guy, okay. Try not to cry video. Okay, I'm not gonna show my face that it's actually see oh crap. Okay, have seen my face. Okay, this guy I'm gonna be level upping as a mod because he's actually the banger bacon squad. So he's a mod. So now let's go to the levels. Other fun time next. You are upgraded as the coat. The developer the queen of the channel. So you are the queen of the channel. So okay, now we have Aztic, the admin. Actually, the admin can do whatever he wants. He actually can say bad words. The developer. And now the final list is boat owner. And he plays Roblox. So first time I met him, it was Squad King. So yeah, he's the goat owner. I level up him. He was mod before, yeah. What was that again? Oh yeah, 3 months ago. So 3 months. 3 months level upping. Now he's upgrading to the coat owner of mine. So finally, Snake. He's not the king. The bacon. He is actually this is he is the developer of Bacon Squad and also the king of TV. So yeah, those are the mods. So guys, thank you for watching, and thank you for watching, bro. I'm doing some animations. Yo, guys, we are friends, yo. We're friends, Yeah, we're friends. We're friends, Andrew. We're friends. We're friends. Come on, don't punch me, buddy. We're friends. Sucker. Punch my dick. No, I didn't. I just punched your head. That's all. That's a great idea to punch your head. No, it's not. I'll punch you. No. No!